Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to buy ETH on the Kraken Pro. So to get started with the easy step-by-step guide, so the first thing to do is to go to pro.kraken.com or open the Kraken Pro app on your mobile, then log in with your Kraken account credentials to log into your account. Then you have to deposit funds. So if you haven't already fund your Kraken account by clicking on funding, then tap on deposit and choose your preferred currency. For example, you can pick USD or Euro, then follow the deposit instruction, which is the deposit prompt. Then on the Kraken Pro dashboard, use the search bar to find it, then choose the trading pair you want to buy. For example, ETH.USD or probably ETH/BTC, depends on you. Then on the right side, locate the order form, then select your account type, which is market, limit or stop, depends on how or which order type you want. Then fund the market order and enter the amount of ETH you want to buy, and it will be executed at the current market price. Then for limit order, set the price you are willing to buy for ETH, and your order will be executed only if the ETH hits the price. Then on the other side also, you have to double check the amount and price for limit order, then click on buy ETH to complete your purchase, and that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.